7:32. Last morning here in the Culburra Beach house area, and it looks like it's a beautiful morning. Have a look. Curtains are closed. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. You want to come down and check the beach with me, Claudia?
Yes.
Last chance to check the ocean on a morning such as this. It's quite nice. Oh.
Beautiful. Isn't it?
Yeah. How did you sleep?
Good.
Fun girl?
Yeah, I know. It's so tumble and beautiful.
After you, girl. It is a beautiful, warm, it's glassy as well. Like it like that, huh? Yeah, this is the departure day. Of course, the day that we leave is the best conditions. Man, the flies. I'm not going to say anything about the flies anymore. I've complained about them long enough. Woohoo! Wow. Beautiful. I think that's a whipping bird or a bellbird. It's right next to us though. It's quite loud. I was right, there's a bellbird right there. So how's your time been down in Culburra Beach, Claudia?
Great.
Had a good one?
Yeah, besides flies and ants and all that.
Yeah?
Bugs.
But that's pretty normal, isn't it? You have to put up with that.
Yeah, it's just life.
It's part of it. How's the swimming been?
Amazing.
Had some good surfs?
Yeah. I just found this random almond.
An almond. She's been having a great one in the water there every day. Baxter and Claudia on the boogie boards having a top one. I'm still yet to buy a surfboard. I think I'm gonna get a skimboard actually. I want to learn skimboarding because it's close to skateboarding, it's close to surfing, it's close to snowboarding, and it doesn't require being out in the deep water where the sharks are, because that's my only scare. I'm pretty scared of sharks. I'll probably get a surfboard as well, but I do want to get a skimboard and start skimming. Looks pretty fun. I've been watching the Juke Squad. That guy's pretty rad to watch. And we've got a beach right here. Why would I not try it? You got an almond there, have you? There's the lens. Too close, girl.